Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best turkey fryers is probably one of the most exciting and delicious ways to prepare your Thanksgiving bird, offering a crispy exterior and incredibly moist interior that oven roasting simply can't match. But with such a variety of models available, from propane-powered outdoor units to indoor electric options, choosing the right one for your needs can feel overwhelming, especially when safety and ease of use are paramount for a successful and enjoyable cooking experience. Number 5. Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Fryer. This large capacity fryer is perfect for feeding a hungry crowd. It can handle large portions of your favorite fried foods, making it ideal for parties or any time you crave a delicious treat. Enjoy restaurant-style appetizers without the wait. With precise temperature control and a powerful heating element, you can quickly and evenly fry your favorite foods right in your own kitchen. Say goodbye to splatters and oily smells. The convenient basket design allows for easy oil drainage, and the removable, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup a breeze. Keep an eye on your food without opening the lid, thanks to the built-in viewing window. The magnetic breakaway cord adds an extra layer of safety, letting you focus on cooking. This product is CETL approved with advanced safety features for durability. It also comes with a 1-year assurance, so you can buy with confidence knowing we've got you covered. What we like. This one is perfect for family gatherings or when you just love fried food. If you're looking for a large capacity fryer that offers precise temperature control and easy cleanup, this is a great choice. Its mess-free design and safety features make it ideal for home cooks who want restaurant-quality results without the hassle. What people say. This fryer is designed to cook a turkey up to 14 pounds. The fryer comes with a basket that has a drain valve, which makes draining the oil easy. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, ensuring a perfectly cooked turkey every time. Number 4. King Kooker 12 RTF BF3 Propane Outdoor Fry Boil Package. Introducing the King Kooker Propane Outdoor Fry Boil Package. Perfect for all your outdoor cooking needs. It features heavy-duty welded outdoor burners, delivering an impressive 33,000 BTUs for efficient cooking. This package includes a large 29-quart aluminum pot with a lid, basket, and lifting rack for easy handling of large items like turkeys. You'll also find an aluminum fry pan and basket, complete with a heat-resistant handle for safe operation. It comes with a listed LP hose and regulator with a Type 1 connection, ensuring a secure and reliable gas supply. Plus, a convenient battery-operated timer is included to help you keep track of your cooking times perfectly. What we like. This is your go-to for serious outdoor cooking enthusiasts. If you need to fry a turkey and cook sides simultaneously, or just want powerful, high-heat cooking for large outdoor events, this propane cooker is designed for you. Its robust construction and included accessories make it a comprehensive package for any backyard feast. What people say. The burner is powerful and heats up quickly, allowing for efficient frying. The large capacity basket can hold a whole turkey, making it suitable for family gatherings. The built-in thermometer provides accurate temperature readings, ensuring food is cooked safely and evenly. Number 3. CreoleFeast TFS 3010 Propane Fryer Set. Introducing the CreoleFeast TFS 3010, your ultimate companion for outdoor feasts. This versatile set is perfect for everything from large turkeys to delicate fish. This comprehensive set includes 2 pots, a basket, thermometer, and even a marinade injector. It's designed to make your cooking experience effortless and enjoyable. Use the larger pot for deep frying or steaming turkeys and seafood, or boil your favorite soups and stews. The smaller pot is perfect for frying fish, chicken, and other smaller items. With a 50,000 BTU cast iron burner, it delivers powerful heat for quick and even cooking. The adjustable air control ensures a clean, efficient blue flame every time. It comes equipped with a marinade injector for deep flavor, an instant read thermometer for precise temperature control, and heat-resistant handles for safe handling. The durable, all-welded steel stand with 4 legs provides a solid and stable foundation, ensuring safety during high-heat outdoor cooking. What we like. For those who demand high performance and versatility in outdoor cooking, this set is a winner. If you're planning to deep fry a large turkey or a batch of fish, and appreciate having all the tools like a thermometer and injector at your fingertips, this is the ideal solution. Its powerful burner ensures quick cooking, making it perfect for holiday feasts or large outdoor gatherings. What people say. The burner is powerful and heats up quickly. The large basket can hold a whole turkey. The included thermometer is accurate and easy to read. Number 2. Presto 060088 quart Big Kettle Multi-Cooker. Discover the ultimate kitchen companion. This multi-cooker allows you to steam, stew, roast, boil, deep fry, and so much more, making meal prep a breeze. With an extra-large capacity, it's perfect for family gatherings or cooking in batches. You can easily prepare large cuts of meat like beef, pork, or poultry. Enjoy stick-free cooking thanks to its durable non-stick surface, inside and out. Plus, cleanup is a snap as it's fully immersible and dishwasher safe. The included basket is ideal for steaming, blanching, or frying your favorite foods. It conveniently hooks onto the side for easy draining after cooking. Maintain the perfect cooking temperature for any recipe with the advanced heat control system. Whether you're frying, steaming, or roasting, it ensures perfect results every time. Its durable cast aluminum base provides even heat distribution for consistently delicious meals. This appliance is designed for long-lasting performance in your kitchen. What we like. This multi-cooker is a fantastic option for those who value versatility in their kitchen. If you enjoy a variety of cooking methods beyond just frying, such as steaming, stewing, or roasting, this appliance can do it all. Its large capacity and easy-to-clean non-stick surface make it perfect for families or anyone who likes to prepare big meals with minimal fuss. What people say. The burner assembly is designed to provide a consistent heat output, ensuring that the oil temperature remains stable throughout the frying process. The large capacity pot allows for frying multiple items at once, reducing cooking time and making it ideal for gatherings. The included thermometer accurately monitors the oil temperature, preventing overheating and ensuring food is cooked safely and evenly. Number 1. ROVSUN 30 QD Turkey Fryer and 10 QD Fish Fryer Kit. Experience fast and even cooking with its powerful 55,000 BTU burner. It includes a CSA-certified regulator for precise gas flow control, ensuring optimal performance every time. This combo kit comes fully equipped with all the accessories you need for convenient and safe frying. It includes skewers, a rack lifter, a marinade injector, and a thermometer. Built with a solid steel stand featuring triangle bases, it offers superior stability. The heat-resistant powder coating ensures longevity and prevents fading, even under high temperatures. Setting up is a breeze with its simple structure. You'll be ready to start frying in no time with minimal assembly required. Perfect for any outdoor occasion, it can handle a 20-pound turkey or be used for frying fish, fries, and chicken wings. It's ideal for backyard parties, camping, and more. What we like. This kit is built for speed and convenience for outdoor frying enthusiasts. If you're looking for a powerful and well-equipped setup to fry large turkeys or batches of seafood outdoors, this is an excellent choice. Its high BTU output, comprehensive accessories, and stable stand ensure a safe and efficient cooking experience for any outdoor event. What people say. The fryer heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is crucial for perfectly cooked turkey. The large capacity allows for frying turkeys up to 18 pounds, making it suitable for family gatherings. The included thermometer provides accurate temperature readings, ensuring safety and optimal cooking results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.